can send her an entire photo album with her in it. Good idea.
Hey guys, this is Games by Ice and today we're here playing for the survival with my cousin for the first time ever, but not the first time ever, but still. Just say hey everybody, what's up? And we'll be doing, we and him will be trying to kill each other, and we will be trying to kill other people.
Also, yeah, we're gonna be savages now.
Savages only.
Only one person survived that round.
Oh Lord.
Oh, I have a perfect plan.
This is gonna be easy when I be up here. So first of all,
I'll try to get up there. Oh, that's all.
First of all, First of all,
push you off. Push off. Push you off.
You is. I hate you. How do you do that?
Oh, I died.
How do you push us off?
I don't know how I pushed you, but I died as well.
I hate him.
One.
Okay, we're back. Shut up, Cloudy. Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. That is my
Dog.
not my dog.
It's not her dog. It's like her cousin dog.
Cousin dog. And she would not start barking like
Oh! I think I killed somebody. Wait. Oh, I didn't kill nobody.
So this is like revival or something like that.
First survival.
I'm getting revenge. Revenge. Do y'all know what revenge means?
Yeah.
Most of you guys know.
Cause I'm not that dumb.
Yes.
Look at me. I'm not gonna die. Watch.
I'm downstairs. I'm a savage. I'm a pre-savage. I want to say I'm a pre-savage.
I just say the lie.
Okay, here's JP.
I'm lost.
Mine's been up all.
Where are you going? Come follow me.
I'm not even following you.
No, because everybody goes up here.
Revival. Well, guess what? I ain't gonna die. I don't want it. Hey, I can't see you guys.
I just killed somebody.
Hey, I can't see you guys. Oh, the water's getting higher.
Killed somebody.
Higher and higher.
I just killed somebody.
Did y'all all die?
No, I'm over here.
Is it just us two who survived?
No, there's another girl that has a balloon. She has bullets,
I was bad at it.
but she never spinning them.
Do we have to pause one more time?
If the thing ends, like if the rock.
Oh,
You just try to sabotage me. Watch this. I'm gonna go inside this thing real quick. Wait. Watch this. I can go inside of it.
but you won't be able to get out.
Yes, I will. Watch. Told you I'd be able to get out.
Where you go?
Come down here so we can fight. Or else you're a chicken. Fight. Come on.
Hey, I'm not gonna fight you.
Okay, then you're a chicken.
Why you keep?
Since I went down there, you have to go down there too. Fine. 1, 2, 3. Go. I can go down there. 3, 2, 1. I can go. No! No! That thing! How was that there before? No!
Oh, here's on videos. Why? Because
This girl is just lifting me down.
Why? Because we don't want our space to be taken away. So that's what I like. That's what I like. I like to say you guys.
What do you like?
No.
You died. Yes! I win.
Damn.
I saw your hair fall. Good thing I was not on that building. Good thing I was not on that building.
Good thing I'm on a girl's hair. If you're watching this video right now, guys.
Oh my god! Look at that!
You know what?
You have to pause it.
I don't want to.
Watch this, yellow. Watch this. I'm a savage. Oh!
But anyway, it was you and this other girl, so y'all gonna do smooch it.
Just whenever we get off of it. Follow me. This is the best spot over here.
Hey, this is the best spot.
Fine, I was just lying. I wanted to kill you. Oh, I was not joking.
Let me go up. Move,
I just-
JP.
What? No, I'm not to fall. You almost killed me, Joe. Oh, no!
You need to die.
You almost killed
I
me.
should interrupt him by calling him, and then he's gonna die. Should I do that, guys? Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now.
I'm right here, Joe. I'm right here.
I know what all.
You made me die.
Chum.
My nigga. You have to pause your
But
video.
make sure. No, I don't have to pause it.
This kid.
So I can post on YouTube.
No. Dang it. You'll die anyway. Watch.
No, I miss.
Help yourself to anything you like. Food, drink, marble statue in the corner. Hi, kid. Don't touch the marble statue. The guard will get very angry. This is
Wee,
unexpected.
bouncy.
You hated us. Hate's a strong word. Although I did hold a bit of a grudge after your family beat mine in the Aqua Olympics. That's okay. We held a grudge too, and we didn't even lose.
So yeah, guys, it's mine.
Okay.
Remix
How
Roblox.
did you not die?
Because I'm a good Roblox.
Only 3 people died.
Hey, I survived.
How'd you
I
survive?
was being a savage remix. Woo, skit. I was being a twist. That's what I was being. Savage. I'm on pre-savage. Ooh, I bounced on the road.
I'm not going in that one because that's the one that fell down. So
It was like a giant hand.
yeah, but I'm gonna take the whisk.
It don't fall. It didn't fall. You just want to kill me?
No, I'm just gonna take the risk.
Well,
JP? No. JP?
JP?
Thank God I'm not about to die.
Do you remember how many of us there are, right?
I almost died. Thank God it was lagging.
Let's kill this dude.
Okay, push him off.
Station, waffle
Boom.
station,
Boom.
pasta station. What I really need is an elastic pants station.
You pushed him off! I'm sorry! You little...
I survived. He did it. Gang.
You son of a
You better not be calling me one thing.
You son of a danger. Dangerous kid.
I can't believe I survived. Hey, how did you get down here? Oh, the game's starting now.
Oh.
She did 4 cents in a retainer before she teamed with us.
Go.
No.
Go, JP. I told you to go, so how?
Oh my God!
She can't be talking.
You little son
Guys,
of...
if you're watching JP, please. I'm supposed to be this video for.
For like 14 minutes. 14:45. So guys, we're gonna have to end this video. I'm joking.
What does yours say right now?
8:08.
Mine says 10 minutes. So guys, I am about to end mine,
But you're not going to.
but I'm not going to.
So Jalu, I'm just gonna block you out. Block you out the
And
way.
he's gonna block me out the way.
But I can't. But it's just, I'm a savage, I'm a cabbage, I'm in it. Oh.
Hey, you a bad bitch.
Oh.
Kid savage.
Let's try to sabotage him this time.
Let's sabotage her.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying. That's what I just said. So I can sabotage your life.
Flat rates on a robo. Thanks to the suggestion, you guys. We consider
Don't destroy my girlfriend.
treasure. We also consider treasure.
She's the only one I had in my life.
Okay, block him so he won't cake. So he can't. Oh! Sorry. Is he just glitched out of the way? I was in his way.
Who?
You. I was in your way. That's how you died.
Okay, guys, I'll be reporting JP right now.
No,
I'm just kidding.
that mean I'm gonna get banned.
No, you're not. You're not gonna get banned. I did not report.
Yeah, because somebody else had on YouTube. Somebody had reported her, and then the next day she got banned for 3 days. No, from Roblox for 3 days.
Look, I did not block you. I didn't do nothing, but I want to.
Wait. You're gonna tear down the bait and bite?
Not personally. I'll hire people. You know, the only reason I bought it was so that I could build a yacht club.
Move!
Build a New England.
Thank God.
have no idea.
Move, go for real.
Make that little worm shack is.
Okay.
JP, when I tell you to go, go.
I just killed him.
Okay, guys. So if JP does it one more time, I will be blocking him.
If you do, I'm gonna be banned, and I won't be able to do my YouTube channel. So
Yeah, he knows that. Yeah. But I'm about to end my thing, but I am not gonna block him or report him, so whatever. But anyways, guys,
I'm a savage. I'm
make
a
sure
savage.
you.
No!
If I hadn't convinced you guys
You just
to
woke
take that
your
trip,
sister.
none of this would have happened.
Make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Just
Mine at 10:28 now.
oh my god, he like
Bye guys. I'll be.